This class we will talk about what is variable. For suppose in the programming language, variable it is a value. Okay, it is a value which can be changed depending on the condition. Okay, and variable can be declared, variable can be initialized. We can store value into the variable and it will be changed according to the situation of a programming logic. Okay, and variable playing very important role in the programming language. Okay, keep in mind. Now come here in JavaScript, how do we use variable and how do we um, create a variable and performing some task on variable. Okay, now I'm coming here and I want to create new folder, and here I just say class 2, or simply the best I say second class. Okay, and I want to copy this code from here and paste it right here. Okay, now I'm going to open folder and going back and select 2 class and click it here. And 2 class has been opened. Alright, now I close it. Okay, and coming back here and give it name as 1 class. Okay, class 1, 2. Alright, here a file has been opened. I select it, double click on it, file has been opened, and I double click on it, file also has been opened, and now I'm going to remove this. Okay, now if I say variable, call a variable and I declare it with name, and I give a name to a variable as a okay, a b c d, just like a letter. You can give any name. For suppose if you want to talk about password, you just say variable password, and we create a variable and declare with password name. Okay, and here I want to initialize variable with password. Okay, and assign a value just like okay, and terminate single statement with semicolon. Right, now I want to display password, so I need a function document dot write, and here I call password. Okay, and terminate this function, and finally when I click on Ctrl S, a dot has been go away. Alright, file has been saved. Now I'm coming in class 2 and open a file, and password is now displayed on our web browser. Okay, we can also save number value. For suppose we can also save a string value. My name is Naeem. Okay, let just see its result. My name is Naeem. We can also save a dotted value. For suppose 1.5, let's see, 1.5 has been displayed. we can store any value into the variable and it will be changed according to the condition. For suppose what kind of condition it is, right? And here I just give it name as a, and I want to store a value into a is a 1. Okay, now I want to say variable b and store a value of 2 in it. Okay, we can also add value like for suppose variable c equal 3 or 10. Let's see, call them all. Okay, for suppose I want to add b, I want to call a and c. Okay, and now I saved it. Let's see what results are displaying. 1, 2 and 10. You can also um, store value in enclosed double quotations. You can also add value without enclosed double quotation as well. Okay, now I remove it and here I just want to say store a value into C of a plus b. Okay, it means that I want to uh, say that store value into the C of variable a and b. Let's see what result is coming up. It displayed 1 when we say here variable. Okay, it override